Welcome to the Solarglide Type-C Chrome Base Fittings Cable Guide installation. The tools you will need to complete this installation project: an Allen key, a pair of wire cutters, an electric drill, a tape measure, a crosshead screwdriver, a pair of pliers and a pencil. The cable guide wires come pre-attached to the blind cassette. Carefully unravel them. Feed the cable guide wires through the bottom rail P-clips, located on the back of the bottom rail profile, and leave them to hang loose. Slowly lower the screen to the bottom of the window. Use the P-clips as guides, and with a pencil, mark the position for both cable guide bases onto the windowsill below. Carefully retract the solar screen. Secure the bottom half of the Type-C Chrome base with a screwdriver. A power drill may be needed if securing into metal or cladding. Snip the wire at the level of the base fittings, which is secured onto the windowsill. Leave an extra 5 to 10 mm of extra wire as further adjustments may be needed. With the bottom half of the base secured, thread the curved head of the Type-C Chrome cap onto the cable guide wire, with the hollow side facing downwards. Thread the small brass fitting into the end of the wire, leaving 5 mm spare. Proceed to tighten with an Allen key until fully secured. Place the brass fitting inside the cable guide base and pull the cap down. Twist the cap clockwise to tighten and fully secure. If the wire seems loose, move the brass fitting up the wire and repeat the process. If you require additional assistance, please contact the team at solarglide.com. Thank you.